Want to tighten your face naturally without Botox or expensive creams? Try this 5-minute daily face workout to tone, lift, and glow. Just like the body, your face has over 40 muscles. Face yoga stimulates blood flow, boosts collagen, and reduces fine lines naturally. Start with a neck release. Tilt your head back gently, open your mouth wide, and hold for 10 seconds. It activates the jawline and neck. Place your index finger on the tip of your nose. Smile and try to lift your nose upward using your upper lip. Repeat for 10 reps. Puff up your cheeks with air. Move the air from left to right for 30 seconds. This tones your cheek muscles and fights sagging. Gently place your fingers at the outer corners of your eyes. Look up and squint slightly. Hold for 10 seconds, then release. Repeat 3 times. Cover your teeth with your lips, then try to smile wide. Hold for 10 seconds. This targets marionette lines and mouth wrinkles. Purse your lips tightly, then push air out as if blowing a kiss. Do this 10 times to naturally plump your lips. Don't forget, hydration is key. Use a good face mist or serum right after your workout to lock in moisture. Do this routine every morning or night, ideally before applying your skincare. You'll start seeing results in just 2 weeks. Want faster results? Use a gua sha, jade roller, or LED massager along with this workout. These boost circulation and collagen. 5 minutes a day is all it takes. Hit like if you tried this routine, subscribe for more natural beauty tips, and check the description for my favorite tools.